All right, so the Calvin-Benson cycle, also known as the Calvin cycle or the light independent reaction, sometimes just called the dark reaction. This is where the carbon dioxide for photosynthesis comes in. So the water is used for the light dependent reactions. The carbon dioxide is used for the light independent reactions. Now we have to start with 6 of these to end up with 1 glucose. What happens is when the CO2 comes in, the first thing it does is join up with this compound called rubisco, or RUBP, which has 5 carbons in it. So 6 of these pair up with 6 of these. So I've got 5 carbon plus 1 carbon. This is going to give me a 6 carbon compound. Okay, and I get 6 of them because I had 6 of each of these. This is highly unstable, so it's not going to remain in this state. So we've got a 6 carbon compound. And right away, it's going to break off into 2 3 carbon compounds. Okay, these are much more stable. Then we use our ATP and our NADPH, which came from the light reaction. And this is going to react with my 3 carbon compounds to convert them to this molecule called Pgol. Okay, it's also referred to as G3P in your textbook, so either of these, we're referring to the same compound. Okay, these are still 3 carbon each, so I've got 1, 2, 3. And now I've got 12 of these. So up here, when I had 6 carbon and it split, it gave me 12 3 carbon. Okay, we react here with this energy, and now I've got this Pgol, still with 3 carbon each. So 1, 2, 3. 2 of these are going to react to give us a glucose. So if I have 3 carbon here, 1, 2, 3, glucose has 6 carbon. I need 2 of them to make 1 glucose. So 2 of these, Pgol, are going to combine to give me 1 glucose, C6H12O6. That still leaves me with 10 Pgol. I've only used 2 of them at this point here. I've got 10 remaining. These 10 are required to cycle back into this reaction. So again, we're using ATP that was generated from the light reaction. And these 10 Pgol, so Pgol are 3 carbon each. I have 10 times 3, that gives me 30 total carbon. Okay, the RUBP has 5 carbon each. 30 divided by 5 allows me to make 6 of these, which I need to start this whole process over again. These 6 react with another 6, and so on. So it's a complete cycle, and we're still using our reactants that we produce in the light reaction.